In order to delete your public profile on Snapchat, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the Bitmoji icon or the profile icon in the top right corner to access your profile, and then click on the My Public Profile option that is beside my account. Tap on it, and there you will see the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it. Now from the profile settings that appear, scroll all the way down, and there you will see the option of Clear Public Profile that is highlighted in red color. Go ahead and tap on this option, and again tap on Clear to confirm. So clearing the public profile will delete everything that you have added to your public profile, including your bio, profile photo, public stories, and stories that are saved to your profile. Also, the snaps you have submitted to the Spotlight or the Snap Map will remain, and it won't show your name unless you use your public profile again. And if you're sure you want to delete your public profile, tap on Clear and you'll be done. And also remember that deleting your public profile won't delete your Snapchat account. You can create a new public profile anytime in the future if needed. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.